Solar system with 8 planets is built with the help of acrylic gears. Let me walk you through the build process. To begin with, let us remove the planets as well as gears. Two gears are connected with the help of 3 mm bolt to build a compound gear. Planets are mounted on the main axle with the help of tubes. Metal tubes are used for inner planets, while 3D printed tubes are used for the outer planets. Keeping good clearance between each tube proved to be challenging. 3D printed fixtures and bolts keep the acrylic gears in place. These 3D printed square rods are used for mounting the planet. Vertical position of the gear can be adjusted with the help of these spacers. Let us place the gears back on the individual axles. As outer planets revolve very slowly, these gears barely move. All the calculations for this project were done in spreadsheet, while designing was done in FreeCAD and GearGenerator. All files used for the project are available for download. Do give it a try. Thank you.